Hello and welcome to Uma Locks. Are you ready to level up your hair game with stylish and adorable hairstyles? In this video, we are bringing you the latest and cutest cornrow braids hairstyles for Black women in 2025. Whether you are into simple and sleek two braids, bold and detailed Ghana braids, or playful twist braids, we have got you covered with ideas that will turn heads wherever you go. Let's start with two braids cornrow. They are classy, easy to maintain, and perfect for everyday looks or special occasions. You can rock them straight to the back or in a curved pattern, or even spice them up with beads or colored extensions for a beautiful twist. Next up, we have Ghana braids, also known as banana braids or feed-in braids. These bold and defined styles are perfect for women who want a beautiful look. They work well with longer lengths, intricate designs, and they are ideal for those who want low maintenance hairstyles that still make them look beautiful. And for a soft and elegant finish, twist braids are your go-to style. From flat twists to Senegalese twists, they offer a softer texture with a feminine touch. Plus, they are gentle on your scalp and easy to style into buns, ponytail, or you can let them flow freely. All of these cornrow styles in this video aren't just beautiful, they are also easy to maintain. They help reduce breakage, retain moisture, and give your natural hair a break from daily manipulation. So whether you are getting ready for school, work, a date night, a special occasion, or a vacation trip, there is a cornrow braid hairstyles in this video that is just right for you. I hope you found this video helpful. Which one of these cute cornrow style will you be rocking next? Drop your favorite style in the comments. Don't forget to like this video and hit the subscribe button for more trending hairstyles and inspiration.